In this video, we're going to show you how to set up Document Archive with the Document Archive Setup Wizard and how to use Document Archive. Let's begin with the Document Archive Setup Wizard. You can read the instruction and click on Next 2 times to start the wizard. We're going to choose the File Handler SharePoint, as this is currently the only one available in the app, and click on Next. Now you need to create an Azure App registration. If you want to learn more about how to register an application, you can click on the link or visit our Apportunix website and watch the how-to video. After you've created the Azure App registration, you can click on Next. And here you need to configure the credentials by clicking on Edit and fill in the application ID and client secret from the Azure App registration. Now click on Close. If you click on Next, Business Central will connect with Azure App registration and will provide the following message if the authorization has been completed successfully. Now you need to configure the SharePoint file handler by selecting a SharePoint site ID and a SharePoint drive ID. Click on Next. For this demo, we're going to use the default settings for the app. So here we can click on Next. And we can click on Finish to complete the setup. The setup of the permissions for user groups we're going to show you later on in the demo. So for now, just click on No. And now we're going to show you how to use Document Archive. For this demo, we're going to attach and organize files to a customer. First, let's navigate to the customers. And here you see the Document Archive fact box. Now we're going to attach a file by drag and dropping the file to the designated area of the fact box. And now this file is attached to the customer. In the Document Archive fact box, you can see the Document Archive category, the file name, and the created date and time. Now you can download the file directly by clicking on the file name. We're moving on by creating a new category. First, we navigate to the Document Archive categories. And here we're going to create a category for the accountants to use. After we've created the category, we're going to set up the permission groups. For this category, for the user group Dynamics 365 Accountants. We want the accountants to be able to read, insert, modify, and execute their files, but they should not be able to delete the files. So first we're going to grant all the permissions to the user group, and then deny the delete permission. If we now attach a second file to the customer and edit the category to Accountant, and try to delete the file, we receive a notification that the file can't be deleted for this category. Some other nice features of the categories are configured in the Document Archive setup. Now the fact box is listed by files, but we want to group them by category. And we want to select the category when we upload the file. Let's refresh Business Central to implement the changes of the fact box. And now we see that the document archive fact box is grouped by category. And if we attach another file, we can select a category on upload. We select accountant. And now we see that there are 2 files present for the category accountant. This concludes our demo video of Document Archive. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.